YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to learn how to make bows out of 260 balloons. To start this process, I always start by stretching out our 260 balloon. Next, I'm going to fill it up with some air all the way. So this is how your balloon will look like, and your next step is to completely let the air out. Just like that. The first two steps are the most important. You want to make sure that your balloon is stretched out because it becomes more malleable in the shaping of making the bow. Once your balloon is all stretched out, you're going to blow it up again. Balloon should look like this, and now we tie it off. Alright, now let's make a bow. The first step is to bring your two ends together, just like this. And then now we're going to twist them together. I twist about 3 times, and now it looks like a fish. Next step, we're going to bring it together at the top and twist. Once again, I twist about 3 times. So now you should end up with something that looks like this. Now you're going to bring the bubble from the top down to the bottom and twist, just like this. And here's the final product. If you enjoyed and found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe and give us a like, but also leave a comment down below on what you want to learn on how to make next. Bye!